but also a symbol of modernity and convenience in the cake production process. With fully automatic features, this machine helps create uniform dough balls and ensures final product quality. The automatic extrusion process saves time and labor, while enhancing production efficiency. The versatility of the machine allows it to be suitable for many different types of cakes, from bread and biscuits to cakes and sandwiches. This helps meet diverse market needs and optimize production processes. Donuts with smooth dough are not only an attractive dessert, but also a creative work of art in the culinary world. With a smooth layer of dough covering the outside, the donuts become more attractive than ever. In particular, the softness and lightness of the dough makes each piece of cake more special and enjoyable than ever. Discovering each piece of cake with its smooth layer of dough, you will feel the smoothness and blend of sweetness, fat and mild spicy taste. This is not only a culinary experience, but also a journey of discovering surprising flavors. With a delicate combination of ingredients and processing techniques, the donuts with smooth dough are iconic, of creativity and originality in the art of cooking. Looking at cheese production lines with the VMAG system, you cannot help but be impressed by the complete automation and precision in every step. Each cheese ball is created evenly and uniformly, ensuring the quality of the final product. The flexibility of the VMAG system allows the production of many different types of cheese, from soft cheese to hard cheese, from cheese bars to cheese cubes. This helps meet the diverse needs of the market and brings rich choices to consumers. Industrial production of plant-based nuggets is an important process in the plant food industry, playing an important role in providing balance to nutritious food options for consumers. The process of producing plant-based nuggets usually begins with the selection of high-quality plant ingredients, such as grains, seeds, almonds, or seeds. Then this ingredient is pureed and processed to create nuggets. Producing pizza dough is a complex but fascinating process, requiring a high level of technique and expertise to create a final product. The vine trimmer is an indispensable tool for grape growers. The cutting blade can operate flexibly in terms of angle and style, ensuring clean and precise pruning of young shoots. After being finely ground, corn stalks are used as animal feed. The cassava planting machine can automatically divide the mother cassava into 5 small branches for easy cultivation. The Dingo 4 will install a protective fence system for your farm. It will thread the wire through the aluminum posts buried in the ground. 6-kilometer fence can be done in one day. Puzzle XXL liquid fertilizer mixer. Strong stirring is good mixing. The 37-meter-long giant arm can flexibly mix fertilizer within a 370-degree range. The Triumph planting machine is leading the way in agriculture 4.0. With a continuously rotating conveyor belt, it makes it easy to plant young seedlings. Watching this harvesting machine in action truly satisfies me. 9 continuous rows of beets are lifted and automatically moved along the conveyor belt. Arbus 4000J AV is an autonomous solution for precision spraying. Its independent steering system allows the machine to operate with a small turning radius, even in narrow passages. High efficiency is what this machine brings to you. Lely Astronaut A5 is considered a new milestone in the dairy industry. Teat cleaning is done before milking, and it especially stimulates the cow's natural behavior to yield more milk. When it comes to experts in vegetable harvesting technology, PO335 cannot be missed. After the leafy greens are lifted, the machine's vibrating component reduces the amount of soil clinging to the roots. Combining seeding and fertilizing helps reduce labor for farmers. The sugar beet cutting machine provides delicious food for livestock. The cutting blade is designed at the machine's output, and sure enough,
do you love cheese? Do you want to add the rich, delicious flavor of cheese to your dishes? However, slicing cheese by hand can cause you many difficulties. The birth of the cheese processing line marked a great step forward in the food industry. It promotes the development of the dairy industry, creates many jobs, and contributes to economic growth. Rhythmically and precisely, each plastic bag is formed, measured, filled with product, sealed at the edges and stacked. Soon, a series of square, neat packages were ready for the journey to consumers. Beans, grains, and flour packaging machines are an indispensable part of the food production and packaging process. By fine-tuning and adjusting parameters such as package size, weight, and packaging method, the machine ensures that each product package is packaged accurately and securely. Vertical packaging machines are an incredible advancement in packaging technology, especially when applied to packaging ground coffee in vacuum bags and square-bottom bags. In this way, the machine not only ensures convenience in preserving coffee, but also optimizes storage space in the cabinet. The Stubbly Scour robot is used to stack poker chips in a toy factory. This robot can stack poker chips quickly and accurately, helping to improve production.